So our Google analysis hasn't changed. The idea is still that a larger degree fourth wave bottomed in November 2022 for Google. And we are probably now working on this fifth wave to the upside, which is part of a larger degree third wave. And I've got two potentials here in yellow and white. The white count allows for a bit more of an upside extension. I believe also Google, as this shows, like many other tech stocks, comes close to completing a larger degree third wave. And most of this already is likely done. That started in 2022. And we're sort of in the last fifth wave here, which could, however, still extend a little further because there is no top confirmation yet. But at this point, because just visually, we've got 5 waves up, pretty much nearly complete. I wouldn't be surprised if it starts to roll over at some point. So caution is here, I think, wise and recommended, but it's just that we haven't got confirmation for a top end. Just if we're tracking this to the upside here in wave 5, because this is the internal fourth wave that bottomed in September, wave 4 of 5 in the yellow scenario, then it seems to me that there is still the likelihood for one more high at least. 2 pathways. I see 2 bullish pathways. The first one being that this was a wave 1 rally. The initial rally from the September low here to the October high. Wave 2. Wave 3. This wave 4 is quite deep but valid, especially if the fifth wave is a diagonal. So one more high could complete this move. Support would be $177, so below that level we would have to think about something different. In that case then, that would be plan B. The pullback could be wave B. If it's a plan B, it would be a wave B, as long as the pullback is a 3-wave move. And then it could go a bit deeper, but the invalidation point then would be $163.50, which means that any break below the red line, I would say would confirm. Yeah, any break below the red line would be a first, let's say, first confirmation that a more substantial top has already formed. But we would need more evidence, and that would be a break below the September low then. Because it could, as long as it's a 3-wave move down, it could then still morph into some kind of a larger 5-wave move up. But for now, these are the 2 key levels to watch. $177 for the yellow count, and below that, 163.50 for the white scenario. And then when it breaks that level, it could fall quite a lot in this larger degree fourth wave. I mean, this would be a fourth wave that kind of matches the wave degree of the wave 2 that happened in 2008. So it would be quite a substantial one. And we might test the area again of the 2022 lows, maybe even the 2020 lows. So this would be quite a strong correction that is probably around the corner, which is very much in line with the idea that the Nasdaq could also be close to completing a larger rally. Yeah, that's the update about Google. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out our stocks and S&P 500 service. You'll find the link in the description. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.